Hello everyone, back again with me, Alwi Farudin. Now I want to make a live demonstration again about my app. Now the app is Electric Circuit Simulator. As you can see on the screen for the app, if you first tap and launch the app, you will see the intro view is about the app Electrical Simulator. Simulate, analyze, and learn electrical circuits virtually. Is can slide and you can click next to. Next is the component miniature circuit breaker and what function the component. Next again is connector. The contact A1 and A2 is coil, and then is auxiliary contact is overload. Next push button and then motor. Okay, we done here. And then in several country maybe we'll show the pop-up dialog about GDPR. It's for ads permission. You can click consent. And then it's the homepage view of Electric Simulator app. And there is in the right top corner is menu for tutorials, download and exit. And then plus icon there is for create new project file like this. On the file project section, there is a menu for open, rename, and delete file project. You can also open the file project simply by clicking the file project area. We open the file project for new project 0. Click, and there is the circuit pack for we create the circuit for simulation. On there is for menu component menu is can show and hide like this, and there is for menu save project, simulation, delete component, close selected component, and lock the component. Okay, on the left side you can see is the example circuit that we try to make on the demonstration. There is a circuit direct online, our dual starter. Okay, next we see the component is F1 for MCB3 bus. Let's we add the component MCB3 bus, and then Q1M is the contactor, and then F2 is the overload, and then the motor. Motor is 3 lead ya, because it's only F3 wire. Okay, we close again the component menu, so we can drag by long press the component like this, and you can move everywhere. Okay, like this. Okay, let's we make a wire. Oh yeah, for make a wire you can click on circle like this and this. Let's we see L1 to F11 input MCP3 pass. Okay, R to MCP3 pass. Sorry, S to here and T to here. Again, output the MCP3 pass to input the contactor. Okay, here, and we can drag to make it straight wire. Okay, and then output the contactor to input the overload. Oh yeah, I'm sorry for my English is so bad, yeah. Okay, and then we make it straight. Okay, I want to explain about feature. Sorry. Like you can see, if you select the component, there is a wire point for edit the wire. You can, if you long press of the circle point, this you can drag and make wire like this, custom. If you double click, you will see menu for add point or delete point. Add point and then create a new point wire. If you delete point and then remove the point of wire. Let's remove this that point. Oh yeah, if you the point of wire is inside the component like this, yeah. If you may want to move this, if you long press and then show the project area color is changed to blue like this, it's not move the wire point but is move the component, so be careful like this. If you want avoid this, you can lock the component position on this menu. Lock, sorry, select component, lock, select component and lock, select component and then lock, so you can avoid to accidentally move the component like this. You can save to move wire point everywhere, then delete the point. Okay, the main circuit is done. Let's we next to make the control circuit. Oh yeah, there is. Oh no, it's direct to OL ya. I want to improve ada MCB 1 pole like this, and then F2 is same like this. Push button NC S2. Push button NC. Long press and drag to here. Next S1 is push button and O. Okay, on here. Q1M is same like this, same, and then lamp for lamp indicator H1 and H2. Lamp to Okay, is get power from L, so we can from R from this, or you can do from this. Same. Okay, and then from here to 95 of overload. 95 is on this, and then parallel to 97. Oh sorry, 97 is on here. If you want to make it wire is look clean, you can drag like this. Sorry. Okay. Then remove this. Then we okay. Okay. We next is done, and then 96 to push button NC. From there to push button NC on this. Okay. We drop the wire. Sorry. On this. Add new point. Add new point again. Sorry. Nah, be careful if the colors are like that, you can move your hand. Next, the output from push button NC is to input push button NO. From this to there. And there from input push button NO, you can see the jumper to contactor 1, 13 and 23. Okay, on there to 13. Let's win again. Add point. Sorry. Okay. 13 and 23 is not exist, yeah. So we can change to 43. It's same because it's same the NO contact. You can see on there. Yeah. It's same NO contact. Okay. From this we jumper to this. Let's we drag. Okay. Now it's done. Let's we next move from this one first. The output from push button NO is to A1 from contactor 1. From this to there. Wow. careful. You can lock the component ya for safe. Okay. Add point. This. And add point again. Maybe on here. And then we drag in here. Okay. Let's next from 14 to coil from kawan Q1 from this to there. Okay, let's we make it. Sorry. Let's be made like this. Okay. Now the circuit of this is done. And now add to neutral. Maybe less. Okay, we next to here first. 24 to lamp. 24, 44 from here to here. Okay, we can drag or hold. Okay, on here. And then is from 98 of overload. Oh, you can move here. Just remove and then drag this. Okay. Let's reconnect the neutral line from here to here and there to the contactor, from here to contactor on here. Sorry, move here and it's okay. Let's next. It's connected to here. And then we are done. The circuit is look awful, yeah. You can make circuit more clean. Okay, let's now the circuit is done. Let's we save first the project. Click this to save the project. And we try to simulation. Okay. And there to control the component, you can direct click the component like this. On and off, on and off, on, off, on. And you can see the power is with different color, yeah. R for red, S is yellow, T and black line, and neutral is blue. If not have a current, will be gray color like this. Okay, you can see the flow of current is from MCB to overload. Like, Okay, we try to simulate. We click push button and what will happen? Let me see. The contactor is on and the lamp indicator hewan is on. We off again the push button S1 or NO. As you can see, the contactor is still on and the lamp also is still on because it's latching function from 14 on here. Okay, it look great. We press the off button or S2 on here, and then the contactor is off and the lamp indicator hewan is off. We off again. Okay, it's work fine. We on the MCB3 pass 2 and we simulation again. This button start on and then contactor is active or on and the motor is on. If we press the off button, the contactor off, motor off, and the lamp indicator is off. It look great. We try the trip system of overload. For the simulation overload, you can click on the overload like this. Okay, now we try on the circuit when the motor is on. Okay, if the motor on and we trip the overload and then motor is off and then lamp of trip head2 is on. Okay, this look fine and great. Okay, we save again the project. Maybe that's all from me. Next, please create and realize your own series. Okay, we'll back to home page and we try to rename the project. We name the direct online circuit. Direct online starter. Submit. Okay. Okay, maybe that's a simple demonstration about my app. If you have any advice or question, you can send email to me or comment to the YouTube video here. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again. Thank you.